How to use Canva to make money online. So my today tip is create thank you card with QR code. What do I mean with that? It's a thank you card for businesses to say thank you to their customers. So you create a design which includes more text, so people can fill in their logo, the name of their company, some kind of contact information, and a QR code for their businesses. So you create this card in Canva and then allow people to personalize it. So people can personalize it and send this card as a image or PDF or some kind of online product. It's quite easy product to make in a way that once you create a certain template, you can use this template by just changing the colors or the elements or some kind of variations of the text. So it's just up to you to create some really nice design with good layout of text and some nice kind of visual image or colors or let's say the graphic elements in this card. It's selling well. It's not the biggest product, but it could be a part of your let's say some set for business. There are shops who are selling only this type of products and they're doing really well. Do your research, for example, on Etsy, get some idea and then try to do something like that yourself. So that's a tip for today, and watch and follow for more tips how to use Canva to make money online.